What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going back natural. Long hair, the short hair, whatever you name it, I rock it. Thanks to Gorgius here for sponsoring today's video, and if you want to see how I get this done in like the shortest time ever, keep on watching. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. It's giving very much holographic vibes, and inside comes the hair, of course, in this cute silk bag or satin, whichever one. There's a wig cap, there's a bag with all these other hair accessories, and then we move straight on into the construction of the wig. It was pretty sturdy. It doesn't have any lace, so yeah, no baby hairs to leave out. Make sure you shake that thing out before you pop it on your head. Now this is me demonstrating how to put it on. So you put the elastic band on first, and then you snap the wig back and you insert that back comb under the elastic band. Right? This is what it looks like, but this is actually what it looks like straight out of the box without actually fluffing it, without putting product in it, etc, etc. These are what the curls are looking like, because the day before I had tried to put some product in it. Didn't really work out, you know, so we're just gonna start right over. So I'm gonna wet the hair first, and then after I finish wetting the hair and detangling, then I'm gonna put some moisturizer or curl smoothie, I believe I did, from Mile Organics, and I'm going to finger coil some pieces to try to make it look, you know, more defined, but in the end I'm still going to fluff it to give it that volume that I want. Not gonna lie, I was a little bit scared trying this hairstyle because it has curly bangs, and I've never ever tried curly bangs before. I've always wanted to, but I just never got the chance to do it. It's really giving what my natural hair used to give. Well, this is a little bit easier than my hair because my hair was kinky, but this is curly. But still, the density, it's giving thick. It's giving thick, but lightweight, and it feels soft. You can run your fingers right through it. It was just, oh, it just reminded me of my old days with my long natural hair. So that's why I really wanted to try this wig, and this is going to be my new everyday wig, because who has time to be fixing a lace all the time? I do not. And what easier wig to plop right on your head than a curly wig? Right, that's what I thought. So yeah, I'm just going in section by section. Well, just little random pieces, to be honest. I will be finger coiling them in two ways. So this is the first way that I'll be doing it, and then the other way is just the regular, you know, around the one finger, because I'm gonna get lazy, to be honest, and I didn't want all of the curls to look the same. So yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna be doing until the end. So just watch, and I'll see y'all again at the end of the video. Okay, so after I let that air dry for a while, I actually put it in front of my fan because I couldn't be bothered to blow dry it. So after I did that, did my makeup, came back, and I used this hair silk from Cantu and just raked through the hair. To be very honest, I didn't have any specific way. I just ran my fingers through it to break the curls apart so it didn't look so uniform, because I didn't want that, and I just fluffed it with my hands. Normally I'd use my pick, but I couldn't find it. Your fingers are fine, and you just shake that hair up and down all around. Just play with it until you get the desired shape that you want, and that's pretty much all I did. The curls are beautiful. These are just so gorgeous. Come on, people, I know it look good. Y'all know it looks good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love it. I am in love. This is my new go-to. This is my new go-to wig. And if y'all have a problem with it, keep it to yourselves. But if you want a wig like this, make sure you click the link in my description box. The direct link will be right there. All the information to this hair was either at the beginning of this video, or I'll still put it in the description box. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you again to Gorgius Hair for sending me this beautiful curly bob wig. Bye.